So once you've found assemblies that you like, how can you get them into your software? So you'll see that this checkbox here, add this bundle to my account, is checked, which means that when I go to my personal, my activity pages, I will be able to see the bundle in those pages. And if I want, I can also click include this bundle in my software to include the bundle in my software. But before I do that, I'm going to take you to the page where you can see all of the bundles that you have added to your account. So if we go into My Activity, and if you go into Manage Existing Content, you'll see here that there is a new option called Manage My Assemblies. And if you go here, we'll see all of the assemblies that we have added on the Exchange. So for example, supply chain, which I was showing you previously, is right here, and we can open it up and see all of the stuff inside of it, just like we saw in the directory. And you can see that this was free from isee Systems, who created the bundle. Now, if I want to make all of these assemblies available in my software, I can click Included in Software and check it off. And then when I go to Stella Architect, if I go into my preferences, I can ensure that this option down here, Assembly Preferences isee Exchange Credentials, has my credentials in it. If I want to make sure that this is working, I can click Test Credentials, and it will say that, yes, in fact, I am able to make a connection with the Exchange. So if I say OK, and I open up the Assemblies panel right here, which you may have opened up previously when you used Assemblies, you'll actually find that underneath the assemblies that come with the software, there is this new bundle, Supply Chain, from isee Systems, that has inside of it all of these assemblies that we looked at on the Exchange. And I can add those to my model however I'd like. So that way, if you find someone else's content that you're interested in using, you can easily add it to your software.